Hello everybody and welcome here, and today I'm going to show you how to erase a hard drive. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so now let's just check out the operating system. The operating system we have is a simple operating system called FreeDOS. Technically, it's a pretty good app. It's like a newer version of DOS, technically. So today I'm going to show you how to erase your whole hard drive. This right here will work even if you don't have an operating system. This will work with any type of operating system, even if you don't have an operating system. So now let's get started. So this right here is FreeDOS 1.1. It's a very simple operating system, and there's a few commands. I'll show you one of my favorite ones called tree. It actually gives you a tree of all of the files on the system. So technically, now let's get started. So now let's boot into your disk. And when you boot into your disk, you're going to have to press F12 or change the BIOS boot settings for it to work. So what you want to do is you want to boot to the live CD. You want to boot to Gparted live CD. You can get this live CD at if you search Gparted on Google. So now let's get to our CD right here. So right here I'm going to do the default settings, but if you need to, you can do to RAM boot media. You can do it so the boot media can be removed later. Safe graphics settings, VGA normal, or failsafe mode. So you know what? I changed my mind. I'm going to do the to RAM. You know what? Yeah. I'm going to try this new mode right here. So now you just have to wait. This live CD is based on Linux. You know what? You know what? The RAM setting won't be working for me. I don't have very much RAM on my system here. So let's try it again with just the default settings. Okay? I'm not sure if the RAM's best for you, but let's just do the default settings. Now you need to let it boot. You need to let it boot. After you let it boot, show you what to do. Still booting. Practically still booting. Okay, it says it up the console bombing key map, and now it's pretty much almost done. Now you can just do don't touch key map, but I'm going to do select key map from arch list. 40 US American, do British if you're from Britain, standard again, and now 33 for US English, 2 for British English. Let's do 33. And then I'll just do 0. And now in a few seconds here, we should get the graphical desktop interface here. Okay, now we're in Debian. Pretty much a desktop. I can't show you the whole thing due to screen. I don't know how to change the settings. Okay, so now you have your partition screen right here. What I want you to do is first, you know what you should do? This is what you should do first. First, now what I should do is go to Device, create a partition table. Well, and if you want to, you can delete this whole area right here. That whole area right here. If you want to, you can delete that whole area right here first, then create a new partition table. If you feel like it. I'm just going to go and create a brand new partition table. So now what you want to do is you just want to click apply. I mean, if you want a different type of partition table, you can choose it from that drop down list. I'm just going to make an MS-DOS partition table. Click apply. And now it just deleted every single thing on the hard drive. And now what you can do is you can close it and then exit the program. And exit the program. You have to really double click and wait a few seconds with this. And you can just shut down. And you can do shutdown. I'm going to do reboot to make sure that there's no booting information. I'm going to do reboot, but you should do shutdown. I'm going to do reboot. And if you feel like you want to make sure that there's nothing to boot to, make sure you do reboot. Press OK. And in a second here, system's supposed to now going down for reboot. And now remove the disk, close the tray, if any, and so remove your disk and close the tray. And then just press enter to continue. And now it's rebooting. And now on VirtualBox, this is what you should just get right here. On your computer, you should get something a little different. Something like there's nothing to boot to, or there's nothing on your hard drive. Yeah, that's what you should get. But this is what I get on VirtualBox. just a line. For some reason, sometimes if there's no partition on, say on VirtualBox, it'll say no boot device available. But that right there, right now it just has a little line. So I guess that's it for the video, for the way how to delete a entire hard drive video. And you can always double check the hard drive on like a hard drive reader on a computer just to make sure that that your hard drive's still okay. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoy the video, and make sure you love it. Make sure you if you love it more than anything else, make sure you tell me. Now, I hope you have a good day. Now, bye and have a very good day. I guess I should see you next time when I do another video. Now, bye and have a good day.